Foshan Goxo Medical Equipment Company Limited is specialized in manufacturing hospital products and healthcare products. It's established since 2010 and located in Shunde District, Foshan City in Guangdong Province. Our product categories include medical beds, medical carts, trolley, stretcher, bedside cabinets, overbed table, wheelchairs, commode chair, shower chair, crutches, walking aids, bath chairs, air cushion, and so on. At the same time, we can provide OEM and ODM services to meet the different requirements of different markets. Goxo have enough equipment to reach production capacity 100,000 units per year for wheelchair and 18,000 units per year for hospital bed with years of production experience. The design of the products is based on user needs, stability, safety, and also beauty. Our goal is helping users to be healthy, convenient, and fast. Goxo will sell over 90 countries and keep a good reputation for many years: Asian, African, Latin American, European, American, and other markets in the world. We have a professional R&D department team with advanced manufacturing skills and good quality control systems. After-sales service is also our focus. After 11 years of Goxo effort, GX, GX Care, GX Med, Goxo brand have earned a high reputation for its excellent quality and service in global market. And we always focus on further improved product quality in order to better users' life standards. Goxo got the ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 for our factory workshop, also got CE and FDA approved for our products. We have a professional sales team and good after-sales service. We will give your professional suggestions and solutions within 24 hours after receiving your inquiry. The market is changing and our products are improving. Every year, Goxo will develop a variety of products to meet the needs of our customers. Quality, price, and service will be our biggest competitive advantage. At the same time, Goxo have won many long-term partners with the concept of win-win cooperation. Looking forward to the future, Goxo will continue to stick to the people-oriented and customer-first idea regarding making the rehabilitation and hospital products in the world as the target, and create another glorious future with its struggling, advancing, and harmonious enterprise spirit.